Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in a place called Lake Gentry in the boonies of St. Cloud, Florida. Because right now I'm gonna be doing the water test or the water review of Saturn CB330 budget boat. It's part of their budget lineup. Quite capable. I'm gonna put links below to the setup of the boat. I got an unboxing video, sets it all up, goes over some numbers. I'll put that below, maybe a link somewhere in the screen as well. I will also put links to the Boats2Go website as well at the bottom. If you guys were to click on that, it'll help me greatly. Thank you very much. And I got a dock right here. I got the motor warming up. That is a Tohatsu 6 horsepower outboard 4-stroke. It's got a 7.8 by 7 prop. And it's got a hydrofoil. That's my current setup. Hydrofoil helps it get it on plane quicker, and the propeller is a lower propeller. Has a bit more push. It kind of helps, make things a little easier, on the water. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the boat, head out to the lake, because right now there's like a bit of a trail before I get into the lake itself, and then we'll start the actual review. Let me get to it. Alrighty, moving along towards the lake. I want to go over a few things of the boat. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing, this is a flat bottom boat. Obviously, of course, as you're seeing, it's an inflatable, rather tough, so it's quite sturdy. You hear that? Pow, pow, pow. Let me see if I can actually stand up without falling. Let me see if I get a good trajectory. Okay. Everybody surfing. See, it's pretty sturdy as well. Of course, I would like to, be careful, of course. And yeah, I think I picked the perfect day because the water is like super flat right now. That's perfect. So this will be able to catch on plane very nicely. So let me go ahead and get started. Once I get into the lake, I'll shoot the drone. You guys can see everything from the air, how it moves. It's pretty cool. All right, let me get to it. Okay, everyone, I have you right now on the action camera, because I want you guys, to see all around and everything, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's see if we can get into plane. Let's take a look. All right, first I'm gonna show you guys this view. Oh, genius! That is so cool. Wow. I gotta be honest, it is quite smooth. For a flat bottom boat, this is a very, very smooth boat. That and the fact that the waters are actually quite calm today, but still, it's nice. It's very nice. Let me switch you guys to the front view. Here you go. Wow, that is very nice. What a smooth riding boat. I like it. It turns nicely. I'm turning. It turns very well. Nice radius. Oh yeah. This is a nice little boat. Not bad for a budget boat. All right. Let me go and slow down. Okay. That does that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and get the drone out so I can have it follow me. You guys get to see everything from the air. It'll give you a different perspective, what it looks like, how it moves, and all that good stuff. Let me get busy.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be.
All right, so I went ahead and turned the motor so I can explain to you guys the experience. Even though it is a budget, flat bottom, inflatable boat, it feels nice on the water. Like I feel confident to take one of these on one of my island camping trips. Like I feel confident that if I take it, I'll make it, come back just fine. I wish I could do that. Unfortunately, it's being leased and I gotta return it. And if I take it to the islands, I'm gonna be beating it up because it doesn't have transom wheels. I like to, you know, bring the boat with me whenever I go camping. I usually take the boat with me, you know, inshore. You know, I don't leave it near the shore at all. I take it with me. I know that dragging it will actually put a lot of wear on it, so I don't want to do that. However, it feels comfy. It does not need a keel, you know, to help mitigate some of the swells, the little swells, you know, in the water. You do feel them on your feet though. When I was actually going in the water, I will feel the swells a little bit on the feet. You know, it's an inflatable, it's a soft inflatable, keep that in mind. Other than that, it handled it well. It did. So now that I'm here, I'm almost done with the water review. I'm gonna go ahead and sit on the front so you guys can see all the space, you know, what's being used. I need to make sure I don't fall. Sorry for the shakiness of the camera. All right, I think I'm sitting on the other end. Okay, here I am. And then here is the space that we have. You know what? For 8 feet that you have here, it's got plenty of space. Let's say 2 people with some gear going fishing, maybe camping like, you know, like I do. If you guys are into that, this boat will be perfect. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And a special thanks to the guys at Boats to Go. They're the ones who actually facilitated this boat for me to try and, you know, review and let you guys what it's all about. There will be links below for the Boats to Go website if you guys want to check it out. They have different specials and different models. And in some of them, in a good portion of them, you will see me on the reviews because I'm the one that actually reviews them. And some of those boats I do own personally and I like them. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.